Hello, my Leo babies! So, ano ba mga asahan ng ating mga Leo babies ngayong 2024? Okay, so let's see. For my Leo babies. At pati na rin sa inyo mga cross-watchers, kung nakikinood ang ating mga cross-watchers out there. Ayan, or if you're dealing with a Leo sign. Okay. Meron tayong a strong energy dito ng Aquarius. So, maaaring you're dealing with this Aquarius and Cancer sign. So, ho, ho, ho. Parang Merry Christmas. Ayan. So, anong nangyari sa inyo ng taong ito ay hindi maganda ngayong 2023. So, parang tinapos mo na eh. Pero parang may comeback na mangyayari this 2024 for you and this person. Kasi itong taong ito ay may mga plans to be with you again or plans to have this reconciliation with you in this 2024. So, kung ano naman itong mga nangyari dito sa tower card na ito, tower moment natin dito, ay parang gusto na lang ninyo tapusin or kalimutan and have this new life or bagong simula with this person. So, magkakaroon ng bagong simula with this person na maaaring may strong Aquarius or Cancer sign. And itong taon to, nagmamasid na siya sa iyo eh. Kumbaga, nagpaplano na siya ng next move niya. Tingnan natin message ng Archangel natin. Outdoors by Archangel Jophiel. Go outside, get some fresh air, and connect with nature to relieve stress and gain new creative ideas. Okay, so ayan no, parang may mga plano itong taong to have this conversation with you, to have this reconciliation, new beginning with you, reunion, or kung ano man tong pinaplano niya, no? So, tingnan natin, we have this healing crystal. So, maaaring parehas na kayo nag-heal from this connection and it's about time na bigyan ng second chance. Target, teddy bear, and closed book. So, kahit pa sabihin natin sarado na itong librong ito, malay mo may book 2 pala kayo nitong taong ito this 2024. No, and itong mga karmic cycles kasi is na-clear na eh. Marami na-clear na karmic cycles ngayong 2023. Kaya by 2024, very promising to. Lalo na doon sa mga twin flame connections. So, if you're dealing with a twin flame, so ayan, malakas ang energy na itong taong ito ay babalik sa'yo this 2023 to have this second chance. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards. Meron tayong letter J, Y, M. So, yan ang iyong 3 initials. And let's see sa ating tarot messages, oracle cards for my Leo babies. You're the fairest of them all. Wow. I miss you so much. And I'm talking to you telepathically. Business is business. So, maaaring itong 2023 is about business din for my Leo babies. Ayan o, reconciliation with this person. Can you forgive me? And I'm stubborn but practical. Okay. So, yung bottom card natin, you're my inspiration. So, ang lakas ng Aquarius energy natin dito. And, kuha tayo ng message sa ating spirit animals. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for the spirit animal. So, we have here, ayan, oh. At 3, sige, bonus, 3. Pig spirit, use your mind wisely. So, yan ang mga paalala ng ating mga spirit animals. And dove, spirit, be peace. And the last one is brown bear. Take time out. So, kung napapagod, mag-time out muna. So, pero wag susuko. Okay, pwede magpahinga, pero wag susuko. So, yon ang ating reading. Okay, so, and see you sa ating mga susunod pang reading, my Leo babies. So, thank you for watching. Take care and God bless.